What's going on, guys? It's been a while since I've done a how-to video or installed stuff on the cars or stuff like that of that nature. It's been a while. I've been stuck on car shows, car meets, stuff like that. Anyways, here we go. We are back at it again, messing with the Impala today. That's right. So we're messing with the Impala today. I rarely drive the car, but when I drive it, I enjoy it to the fullest. All right. With that being said, at nighttime is when I just love the accents, the lights that I've actually integrated on the car, which I have sequential LEDs in the rear, and I have LEDs up front, which I integrated with the capsules. I'll post a link below in regards to those, to the additions that I've actually made on the car itself. All right, so you guys check that out. And I went with some LED bulbs aftermarket. So as a headlight, they're not bright enough. I don't like them. So started looking around, and I came across these. All right, Auxito. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. So, but anyways, this car with the capsules I actually got requires H4s, I believe it is, bulbs. So look at this. Okay, check this out. Look how nice this is. Comes with gloves, so you won't actually touch them with your dirty, nasty, oily hands. Okay, so comes with that. I will be putting those on. Comes with a product manual. Okay, so it shows everything, how to install it, which it's really easy to install these. It's nothing to it. All right, see, here goes. This is actually going to apply to me. All right, for the H4. Okay, so that's that right there. Yeah, check out the bulbs. Look how crazy they look. Don't they look nice? Yeah, so we'll see how well they perform. These are supposed to be some of the brightest bulbs on the market. So these come with amazing heat dissipation. Okay, so they won't heat up on you and turn off or anything like that. They're supposed to be 600% brighter than your OE bulbs. All right, so that's a big difference. We're actually gonna test that, and I'm gonna tell y'all the truth about the bulb itself. All right, so let's get it on. Let's start looking into it. And see how bright it is. I'm actually gonna leave one of my old ones on there, and I'm gonna put one of the new ones in. Okay, so these are 20,000 lumens bright. That's the brightness on these things. All right, that's incredible. That's a lot. You can't even stare at it directly. Okay, so let's check it out. I'm so curious to see how good this product is. Okay, they have really high reviews, and I go by the reviews. Okay, that's the first thing I look at: reviews, specs, and the fitment. I mean everything, overall everything. Okay, so let's start up the car. Let me. I'm actually gonna back it up and just have the front facing the street. All right, so I don't want to be in the dark. So let me go ahead and start it up, get it all set in place, and we'll start removing the bulbs that it currently has. And this is like a 15-minute installation, you know, for people that don't even know how to mess with cars. You know, that's how simple it is. Okay, so the installation process is very simple, and man, we should get it on there like in 5 minutes. I think the video I'm gonna make it longer than what it is, you know. But anyways, I just want to run through a full review on it, and in case you guys are looking for LEDs to replace your current bulbs on your car, hey, this might be it. Let's check it out. These are gonna be super easy, okay? And actually, what I'm gonna do, the ones I currently have as the low beam, I'm gonna put them on the high beam. Okay, so whenever I turn them on, both at the same time, we'll see a perfect comparison of both of them. All right, so let me go ahead and do that right now. So here are the bulbs that I had on there. All right, this is the regular halogen, it's like a clear white, supposedly, and this is the LED one. Okay. All right, you guys don't want to be touching any of these bulbs with your bare hands. So let me put the glove on. Hope it fits me. You don't want to get any oil on them or anything like that. Okay. So go ahead and put this on. There it goes, it fits. I didn't think it was gonna fit my big old hand. All right, so here it is, and usually on mine it actually goes with this side up. Okay, and let's make a quick comparison. And see, honestly, this one comes with fans, and these fans actually make a lot of noise, so I hate that. I hate the fact that they actually make a lot of noise. This one, it comes with a fan in there. You see how it's integrated in here? So that's pretty nice. This one has it on the outside. So look at the bulb. Look, this one has like 4 LEDs total on each side. 2 and 2. This one only has 1 and 1. Well, it does have 2 and 2, so these seem to be bigger. Let's see how much of a difference this makes. Let's go ahead and install it. All right, so I actually had to take this one out because I was having a hard time getting it in. So the ones I have, these are actually made by the capsules, Octane Lighting. So I'll post a link below as well for these. These are actual glass, but you can put a H4 bulb in here. So that's awesome. All right, so let me go ahead and put this back, and then we'll do the comparison. It was a lot easier removing this assembly and have access to it. All right, look how perfect that bulb fits, and the other one was actually really bulky. So now that that's in, you put this cover on, which seals everything from debris, dirt, or whatever. See, it goes in like this. This for this specific car, so all vehicles are different. So there it is. Okay. Only thing I'm worried about is, remember the fan is integrated on the inside, so how is it gonna breathe? Anyways, we'll see how it works. If not, I'll have to remove these. Anyways, this car doesn't get wet. Okay, simple as that. Look at that, just plug and play. Wham. Okay, so that's that right there. Let me go ahead and put this back, and we will do the comparison. Yep. Brighter. wipers right there. I might as well just do a walk around on it. Check it out right there. See, I got the LEDs down there as well. Sequential LEDs. So that right there is the video, guys. I hope this actually helped out. And real good lights. Y'all check them out. Look how bright they are. All right, I will be posting all the links of everything I use right below, especially the lights and sequentials, the capsules, everything. All right, so make sure y'all go like, subscribe, and really appreciate you guys for all the support. Catch you on the next one.